Okay, welcome guys. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe. So now let's get started. Starting with our Euro USD. By the way, we can see that our Euro USD has actually been ranging within. It has actually been ranging within this our resistance and our support here. Once our price hits our resistance, it drops to our support, and once it drops to our support, it pushes back to our resistance level. So as we can see here, our Euro USD, we can take it as our we can take it as our euro as it's our resistance level, and we would want to see a drop down to this our support level. Yeah, so as we are having that drop on our euro, then our USD index will be giving us a bullish move. Now let's analyze it better by going to our 4-hour time frame here. We can see that we are starting to have this red candlestick, right? I predicted this move here. Once our price was here, I predicted that we will be dropping to around this key level, which I highlighted, and you can see we actually dropped to this key level here. I say that once we hit this key level area, we are very much likely to hit the second key level area. If you are following me, you will understand it, or you know where I actually predicted it. So now that we've hit this level and we've pushed up, we can take it as our price has hit our support and resistance level. So we will be expecting a drop down to this level again, where we've once predicted our price will hit. So currently our price is trading at 1.02116, right? We would want our euro to at least fall and hit 1.01565, and even possibly go and tap 1.01440. So that's exactly 2 points our price will be hitting for the 10th of August, which is about this key area here, which is price here, which is about 1.01565, and if it breaks below, then we're very much likely to hit 1.01440, exactly what we want to be seeing. So once we start having that drop on our Euro USD, our USD index itself will start giving us the bullish move. Now see it on our daily time frame. USD index a bullish move upward, right? Let me take analyze here as this key level area where our price came here, bounces up, and come here, it bounces up. Now let's see it on our 4-hour time frame. Since we want to have it for the day, you can see here double bottom here, our price came here, bounce up, also come here, and it's going to be bouncing up. So once we start having that bounce up, we would want to see it push to a level of 1.18685, at least to this 1.18685. So as our index is going bullish, then our euro to our USD would be going bearish. So have it in mind, our euro USD would be going bearish.